Windows play a major role in keeping your Tuscaloosa home comfortable, energy efficient, and visually appealing. Over time, however, even the best windows wear down and lose their effectiveness. Knowing when it's time for replacement can save you from higher energy bills, poor comfort, and costly repairs later on. If you're unsure whether your home's windows are due for an upgrade, here are the top signs to look out for. Drafts and uncomfortable rooms. One of the clearest indicators is feeling air leaks or drafts near your windows. If certain rooms in your home are colder in the winter or hotter in the summer despite your HVAC running, worn seals or outdated window designs are likely to blame. New, energy-efficient windows eliminate drafts, providing consistent indoor comfort throughout the year. Rising energy bills. Tuscaloosa summers are hot and humid, while winters can still bring chilly nights. If your utility bills are climbing without changes to your usage, your old windows could be the culprit. Single-pane or poorly insulated windows allow heat to escape in winter and cool air to leak out in summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Replacing them with modern, energy-efficient windows can significantly cut monthly expenses. Visible damage and wear. Warped frames, cracked glass, or broken locks are more than cosmetic issues, they compromise security and efficiency. Wood frames in particular are vulnerable to rot in Alabama's humid climate, while metal frames may corrode. If repairs are becoming frequent or damage is widespread, replacement is a smarter long-term investment. Difficulty opening and closing. Windows that stick, jam, or won't stay open are not only frustrating but also pose safety hazards. In emergencies, windows should operate smoothly. Over time, frames swell, tracks warp, and hardware wears down, making it hard to use them properly. Replacing these windows ensures functionality and safety for your household. Excessive outside noise. Do you hear traffic, barking dogs, or neighborhood activity even with your windows shut? Older windows lack the insulation modern options provide. Double or triple pane windows with advanced sealing help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Condensation between panes. Moisture trapped between glass panes signals seal failure. Once seals break, insulating gas escapes, and the window loses efficiency. This issue not only clouds your view but also indicates the window is no longer performing as intended. Replacing it restores clarity and efficiency. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Windows contribute significantly to your home's appearance. Outdated, faded, or mismatched windows can drag down curb appeal. New windows come in a variety of styles and finishes that can instantly refresh your home's look while improving resale value, an important consideration in Tuscaloosa's competitive housing market. Safety and security concerns. Windows are critical entry points, and aging models may not provide the level of protection you need. Faulty locks, fragile glass, and deteriorating frames put your home at risk. Modern windows often include stronger frames, advanced locking systems, and impact-resistant glass for added peace of mind. Final thoughts. If you've noticed one or more of these warning signs in your Tuscaloosa home, it may be time to consider window replacement. Investing in new windows not only boosts energy efficiency and comfort but also enhances safety, noise reduction, and your home's overall appeal. Whether you want to lower utility bills or give your property a fresh look, window replacement offers lasting benefits that homeowners in Tuscaloosa can truly appreciate.